What happens when an AI model generates videos so realistic that you can no longer distinguish between reality and artificial? Well, that just happened. And if you don't know about this, you're missing the biggest revolution in content creation of 2025. This week, we have a completely new AI video generator from ByteDance, and the model is called SeeDance 1.0. It's a completely new model. It was launched here in June 2025. And as you can see, it's the #1 AI video generator in this video leaderboard from Artificial Analysis Arena. Right behind it is Google Veo 3 without audio, and then in third place is Google Veo 3 Quick Preview. And then we have Google Veo 2 in fourth place. As you can see, SeeDance maintains its leadership position both in text-to-video generation as well as image-to-video, surpassing competitors like Minimax and Google Veo 3 without audio. For example, in image-to-video, SeeDance 1.0 is first, and on the other hand, Midjourney, which also launched their relatively new AI image-to-video generator, is in fifth place. Now, let's take a look at the official site to show you exactly why this model is so impressive. As we see here, we have access to the complete technical report in PDF format. In this document, we find all the specifications, model design, training, optimizations, and performance. SeeDance 1.0 presents a wide dynamic range. In this example I have on screen, take a look how it generates fluid movements from subtle expressions to high-activity scenes. This feature allows creating complex cinematic sequences. In this example, you can observe how the model handles multiple camera angles naturally. And as we see here below, it also can generate cartoon animations. Let me show you some concrete examples. Let's check this video of a boy in a field. Observe the naturalness of the movement and, as we see here, the fluidity of the transitions. In this other example, as we can see here, we have scene of some instruments. The camera follows them, creating that rhythmic pressure sensation that the description mentions. Now, I'm going to show you step by step how to use this model. First, we go to the OpenArt website, which is the platform where we can access SeeDance 1.0, and we follow these steps. The registration process is very simple. We'll log in with your Google account, and, as you can see here, we automatically receive 40 free trial credits. On this platform, you can do everything, like create images, characters, videos, edit images, create stories, style palettes, models, applications, community feed, and then we also have ComfyUI workflows. Now, if we go here to videos, let me show you what models you can use on this platform. So select model, we have here Kling 211, which is high quality and is new on this platform. Then we have Kling 1.6, Pixverse 4.5, Minimax, SeeDance 1.0. And then we have Veo 2, Veo 3, Halo Pixverse 4.0. Now we're going to go with SeeDance, of course, and we're going to go with real image to video. So here, let's look for an image that we'll try to animate using this SeeDance model. For example, I think we can go with, let's say, this image of this woman on the beach. And we upload it here from this upload image. We select SeeDance 1. Here in quality mode, you can set from light to pro, also duration from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, and resolution of 480p or 720p. Now, if you don't have enough credits, you can always go here to this eye in the upper right corner, and here you can see that you can join Discord for 50 additional trial credits. You can also subscribe to YouTube to get 50 trial credits, or on Twitter, Instagram, and even LinkedIn to get 100 more trial credits. And if you want to generate, you'll need to have enough credits. If I click here on Create, unfortunately, I won't be able to generate the video. Anyway, it's a shame not being able to show you the result. However, I think this model as #1, the results speak for themselves. You can see how great they look here. very good videos from this model, and I think this is the reason why it's here number 1 in this leaderboard from Artificial Analysis Video Arena. It's not just image to video, but also text to video. It's ranked as number 1. The results and the real leaderboard speak for themselves, and I think it's totally worth using. Well, that's all for this video. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell so you get notifications of my latest videos. And remember, the AI we're living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you next time. Bye!